Now, in the meanwhile, Times Now has been getting you a huge range of reactions. Let's also listen in to senior journalist Siddharth Varadarajan.
I don't think this can be treated as a personal matter that an accused can simply recuse himself from office and say, I'll step aside for 6 months. There is a legally mandated procedure, and if media organizations are not going to follow this procedure, then I don't think we are in a position to write about such accusations or such crimes when they happen elsewhere. And when we are supposed to shine a mirror on society, shine a light on society, look at wrongdoing by people in powerful positions, if we are not going to hold ourselves accountable to the same standards, then I think we might as well pack up and go. So I think it's essential that the legally mandated procedure in this case be followed, and Tehelka as a magazine has to take this charge seriously, has to set up a committee to investigate these charges and follow the full procedure as prescribed by law. And of course, if the young woman presses a criminal charge, then the whole case takes a different dimension. Right? Thank you.
All right. In fact, we also spoke to Nirmala Samant, a member of the NCW, who said that the charges against Tarun Tejpal are indeed very, very grave.
This is actually happening in the society, but now with the growing instances, this is coming to be proved day by day. People who are sitting on a very high positions, who deliver the justice, people who give, create awareness in the society against violences and all, they are themselves supposed to be, appear to be perpetrator, is really a cause of concern, and this needs to be taken very seriously. And NCW is very much interested in taking these issues with a serious note, in order to give justice to the needy women. It has just come to our notice today only. We are doing our level best to see that she approaches us, and if she doesn't approach, we will meet her. We'll try to meet her, we'll try to find out. In some cases, they don't even like to meet us. Then we'll take a different view on it. We will have our own procedure to look into it. But we'll try to meet her, because this is a case where she herself was following. She wanted that sexual harassment cell should be established. She was a sufferer. Why will she not meet us? There is a equality of law. If a person is in a high position, if a person is apologizing, there is a proper forum, that is judiciary. And if he has confessed that he has done it, it requires action as per the law. Because sexual harassment at workplace, molestation, stalking, and even using verbal indicative gestures all come under 354 of depriving the women's modesty, and it is a penal section. So you cannot say that I confess it. I only take the I only take myself the punishment of it. It is like one need not be sentimental in this, and one need not be judgmental of its own faults. You are doing fault and you are giving your own judgment, and you are also showing that you are so great that I am only punishing myself. ऐसा नहीं चलता है.
Tehelka's response to the complaint of sexual harassment by a young employee of theirs is completely inadequate and in fact shocking, because the complaint is very specifically one of sexual harassment. The complainant has asked that that Mr. Tejpal acknowledge that he committed sexual harassment, and that this acknowledgement be publicly circulated within all the Tehelka employees. That has not happened. She has specifically asked that Tehelka set up a sexual harassment committee to inquire into her complaint and to give a suitable penalty. Tehelka has specifically not done that. Tehelka has chosen to say this is an internal matter and Mr. Tejpal is taking penance. We need to tell Mr. Tejpal and Tehelka that penance is no substitute for due process and penalty. And in this case, due process, which the complainant is requesting, is asking for, is demanding, is the setting up of a sexual harassment committee to look into this case, and to also continue to remain in Tehelka, the committee to continue to function in Tehelka, so that other employees also feel that there is a place to complain when sexual harassment is experienced.
On the basis of the complaint given by the lady, now he has realized that the mistake that he has committed. So he wants to public not to harass him or do anything. That's why he says, I'm resigning for 6 months. This was not expected of him. I only wish that he will be prosecuted and he will be dealt, and he should be dealt in accordance with law. Only then we get the relief, otherwise not. These so-called people and so-called journalists who say that they are going to catch the big shark. He himself is a shark. And he has been caught by the lady. I am happy about it.
But he is apparently apologized to the lady.
No, what is the good of apologizing after committing everything and then say apology? It is nothing. It won't satisfy our ladies, and I wish that he will be prosecuted and the law will take its own course.